Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this new wig from Afsisterwig. This is their 13x6 pre-plucked ash blonde human hair lace wig. I'm also going to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to put on a wig that is a very light color, and also I'm going to show you guys how to make your own DIY lace tint. So this wig comes with an elastic band already installed in it. It comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the middle, and a comb in the back. Because the hair is so light, the lace is not going to blend in with my skin tone very well, so I'm going to tint the lace. You can buy lace tints online, but to me it's just not worth the cost for the use, so I decided that I can just make my own. This is not my idea. I've seen many of these tutorials online. I'm just going to show you guys how I do it personally. So I already had a small batch mixed up, but I didn't have a lot left, so I just added some water to what I had, and I'm going to add a little bit more of the hair color. This is the Dora Honey Brown. That's for my skin tone. You might need a different color for your skin tone, but just make sure you stay in the browns. And then you add a little salt. So all you need is some warm water, some hair color, and salt. And you use the salt to take the green tones out of the Dora hair color. I heard that somewhere else, and I just do it. All you do is mix it all together and shake it up. And now I'm applying the tint. And you can get these bottles from Walmart in the little travel section. That's where I got mine from. And I'm gonna do one layer at a time, let the first layer dry, and then add another layer. And you do this to match your skin tone. So everybody's gonna be different. The amount that you use will be different. And when I'm mixing everything together, I just eye it. I know there's probably some direct amounts that you can use, but as you see, I just, eyed how much I put in the bottle and shook it up and called it a day. And as you can see, now the lace is darker and it's going to match my skin complexion a lot better. And I did 2 layers, that's it. Simple and easy, let it dry, and now it's time to apply the wig. The wig cap that I have on is light, so I'm going to add a little bit of my powder on to where I know I'm going to have the part at. And now I'm going to glue the wig down. At first, I thought that I could get away with just throwing the wig on over the wig cap and not doing this method, the bald cap method, but when you have light colored hair, you really cannot cheat the system. You really have to go through all the steps. So I'm gonna have to do the bald cap method in order to make everything blend and look good, and then I'm going to apply the wig. Whenever I do the bald cap method, my sides never want to stay down, but after a while I realized I didn't even need the sides to be super late because I was going to do the middle part. You can only really see the middle section, so it ended up being all good. After my final layer of glue, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw on the wig, and I'm going to make sure that everything is blended and melted really nicely, and then I'm gonna be ready to style the hair. So this wig is 18 inches and it's their silky straight hair, and the density is 150%, and it is really nice. This hair is amazing. It's perfect if you want a bold, different look, you want some color, and you do not feel like having to do it yourself. This wig is perfect. as you can see, this is the hairline. It looks really nice. It's pre-plucked. I really like it. After I did the lace tint and all, it blended so well. I'm just going in, making sure everything is just melting nicely, just giving it one last blow dry before I make my final touches with the hair. Here I'm just plucking the part. I could have went back further with the part, but I just did not feel like it at the time. After I took the wig off, I did go back in and pluck some more to make it longer and straighter. Add a little bit of baby hairs, and next time I apply the wig, I probably won't do the baby hairs because they're not needed at all. And with this hair, I think it looks better without baby hairs, so I think next time I'm just gonna do it without the baby hairs. Now it's time for styling, and I knew that this hair would look great with some nice wand curls, so that's what I went ahead and did with some nice super sleek wand curls. So after I was finished, I went and sprayed the hair with my hairspray, and I made sure that the top was flat and everything with my Pump It Up spray. And after I was done with everything, I brushed out the curls to give it just a nice wavy look. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out Afsisterwig. All the information will be down in the description box. If you want to make a purchase, make sure you use my code J10 to save 10% off your order. Make sure to leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.